Mustard seed and green chili make a fine paste. After heating oil, give 5 seeds, black cumin seed, fennel, radhuni seed, fenugreek seed. Give onion in a heating oil. Cook it low flame. Fried onion season soft and add turmeric water in it. Stir it. Add mustard seed and green chili paste. Add some water. Add half cut green chili. Add turmeric powder. Add salt according to your taste. Boil it for a while. Now add fried fish. Cook it for a while. A good smell come out through the curry. Nice aroma from it. Boil it till then thick gravy. Garnish with raw mustard oil. Now ready to eat. You can eat with hot rice, roti, paratha.